The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development cautioned on Tuesday that global economic growth is expected to decelerate considerably, with the U.S. economy particularly vulnerable due to the uncertainty surrounding international trade stemming from President Donald Trump's widespread tariffs. The OECD, an intergovernmental organization that includes 38 of the world's top economies, released its latest economic outlook report, which projects global economic growth will drop from 3.3% in 2024 to 2.9% in 2025 and 2026. This is a downward revision from the OECD's earlier projection of 3.1% growth in 2025 and 3% growth in 2026, released in March, which itself was a significant downward revision from December's forecasts. The second downward revision of growth forecast is a result of, quote, rising trade costs due to Trump's sweeping tariffs, which the OECD says are, quote, likely to fuel inflation. Apart from the US, the OECD projects that most of the slowdown will be concentrated among Canada, Mexico, and China. The OECD warned that further increases in tariffs by the US government and retaliatory measures by trading partners could, quote, intensify the growth slowdown and trigger significant disruptions in cross-border supply chains. The report notes that more tariffs and retaliation could further roil financial markets, quote, prolong policy uncertainty, and, quote, weaken global demand for many key commodities, among other things. For example, the report says if the US raised tariffs further by an additional 10% on all other countries, global output could drop by 0.3% within 2 years, while American economic output would fall by 0.6%. President Donald Trump has not commented on the OECD's latest projections, but in a post on his Truth Social platform early on Tuesday, he wrote, quote, because of tariffs, our economy is booming. The president did not cite any data to back his statement. For more on this story, read the article linked in the description.